ready to amplify your brand's voice and connect with a professional audience. Let's dive right into creating your LinkedIn business page, step by step. First, head to LinkedIn, command log into your personal account. You'll need one to create a business page. In the top right corner, you'll see a work icon. It looks like a grid. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll to the very bottom and select Create a Company Page. Now you'll be prompted to choose your page type: small business, medium to large business, or showcase page. Select the option that best represents your company. For most of you, it will be the small business option. This is where the magic happens. Fill in all the required fields meticulously: your company name, website URL, industry, and company size. Upload your logo and a compelling cover photo. These visuals are your first impression, so make them count. Don't forget to check the verify box to confirm you have the right to act on behalf of the company. Once you're absolutely sure everything is correct, click the Create Page button. Congratulations! Your LinkedIn business page is now live, but we're not done yet. Click the Start Building Your Page button to add a detailed description of your company, your products or services, and any other information that makes your page appealing to your audience. Remember to regularly post engaging content to keep your audience interested. Now go out there and grow your business.